Hello, I'm in a 2015 Nissan Sentra, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So first, from the driver's side, we'll go down and you should see this hood release lever, which we'll pull. If there's no tension at all in here, double check that this cable, if you can see it, there's this little cable attached to the back of this button, or this switch, lever, whatever you want to call it. If there's no cable, you might need to address that. Now up here you should see the hood slightly loose. That way you can fit your fingers in here now. But here there's a lever. We're going to push the lever and lift. So push and lift. And then up here we'll see this arm we can pull down. Pardon my camera work. A little easier to do with two hands. There we go. Alright, so now we've got the arm. We're just holding the hood up. Here's what that lever looked like. So double check nothing's bent or broken, no debris stuck in here that needs cleaned up. And if this is really sticking, maybe try some WD-40 to loosen it. There's what it was hooked on to. Again, make sure nothing's bent. And make sure your hood's in proper alignment, because if it's crooked, that could also cause issues. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.